7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Listen. Ask me how I'm doing, I'm blessed. Yes, living every moment, no regrets. Smile up on my face, I'm like, oh, yes, I'm blessed. Yes, I'm blessed. Yes, ask me how I'm doing, I'm blessed.
Hello, my YouTube family. It's your girl Lisa, your OG Diva, and welcome to Prestigiously Beauty. Yeah, today is Fitness Friday, but I am stepping it up a notch, guys. I thought maybe it's time for me to either put up or shut up. I have joined a gym. I've got a personal trainer, the whole 9 yards, guys. I saw this advertisement on Instagram for a gym that's literally less than 10 minutes away from my house. And they were advertising for a free 6-week program. I'm like, what?
What's up? We're looking for 40 local ladies to participate in our free 6-week challenge. What do you get with that? 3 times a week with a personal trainer, a recipe book, personalized meal plan, online community, and accountability. We are doing this to update our before and after photos. So if you're interested, click on the link above, open a new tab, type in your information below. We'll give you a call. We're going to see you soon.
So yeah, I signed up, and that's where I'm off to. This is my first day going. I'm just kind of testing it out. The fitness program doesn't start until next week. So for today, I'm testing it out. I'm going to check out the gym. I'm going to kind of bring you guys along. But the journey begins, people. All right, so I am off to the gym, people. Excited. Can't wait to get started. In the car. Heading over. This place is literally less than 10 minutes from my house. So I'm running a little bit behind. I'm not actually meeting with anybody. I'm just gonna kind of tour the place, do a little workout, check out the facility. But yeah, I'm excited. Cannot wait to get this body snatched. So this is a 6-week program. It starts in October and it's going to end right before Thanksgiving. Yeah, so it's going to end right before Thanksgiving. So that is what they were calling for. They were saying, hey, come out, join a 6-week program. And it's supposed to be the full kit and caboodle. Not only do you get a personal trainer, you're able to work out 3 days a week. You also get a meal plan, which you guys already know. I kind of got my own meal plan going on. They also have an accountability where they keep in touch with you. You're weighing in once a week to make sure that they're on top of your program, making sure that you're doing what you're supposed to be doing, eating the way you're supposed to be eating. I love that. Not many gyms offer a meal plan as well as accountability where you're coming in and weighing in every week. So we're going to see how it goes. I already met for my consultation. Already sat down. This gentleman went through everything, all my limitations, what I'm able to do, what I'm not able to do, my medical issues, what could be preventing me from going full speed. So yeah, I'm excited. So I'm on my way, and I'll be pulling up shortly because it don't take much time to get there. Okay, here we go. We pulling up. This is the facility. It's a huge building. You can see I'm rolling up. It is a pretty big building over here. Yes, this is it. Iron for Zion. All right, I'm going to go ahead and park and get in there and see what kind of little workout I can do. Okay, I'm here. This is Iron Zion. This is the lady that I saw on Instagram, guys. And I'm like, I gotta get on this. So I'm here. I'm gonna do a quick workout. So yeah, but the journey begins today. In here. Yes.
Dangerous!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch me. Level up. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. Know you want this yummy, yummy all in your turn that into money.
Hey guys, check this out. This gym is huge. It is massive. Look at all this. They have everything. They have everything. Do you see how big that is? He's a personal trainer. Look at this space, guys. This is redunculous. This is huge. Look at that. There's their little lion for Iron Zion. Look how big this is. It goes all the way down. That's crazy. And then it does a little turn around the corner. That's nuts. Let me zoom that in. Nuts. He's working with some folks this morning. He got his little class going on. It's like a group. I cannot wait to be a part of that because I am going to be a part of a group coming next week. Today I just came to test out all these equipments. Nice array of different equipment, different trainings. I just went and hit an arm machine. I just did 2 leg machines. Now I'm gonna hit over here and just do a little freestyle. Do some squats, do some sit-ups. I think I want to try this big ball here, try to do some sit-ups on that. I've always wanted to try one of those. So yeah, I'm gonna try and see if I can do some hand weights. But yes, people, I'm loving this. Loving it.
Dangerous!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. Know you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy. Level up, 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 level up.
Exert your X, level up. Love yourself, level up. Drop that weight, level up. It's time to win, level up.
Them old mistakes are gone, I won't do them no more. That's old news, that's new news, I done did that before. I turn nothing to something, my comeback on 100. Less talking, more action, you just gon' see coming. I just keep elevating, no losses, just upgrading. My lessons made blessings, I turn that into money. They gotta never settle, this view is so much better. I'm chilling, I'm winning, like on another level. Oh, you can talk all you want. See me, I see prayed up, nothing I'm afraid of, and I can have it all. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1604int.com.
Alright, people. I'm done. This was just a little tester. I just came here to test it out. The classes I'm going to be taking from here on is not going to be independent. I'm going to be in a group class with a bunch of other folks trying to get their life together and their health and fitness together just like me. So, yeah, I like this gym. And what I like about it the most is less than 10 minutes from my house. So, I've seen it, I've passed by it several times, but when that opportunity arrives and the spirit moves you, you gotta jump on it. But this is it. Thanks you guys for tuning in. Stick with me on my journey. I'm about to be snatched. I'm talking about I want a fitness model body, people. So that's my journey I'm on. And yeah, I'm trying to look right by January. January's my birthday, so we're gonna do it. It's go time. Put up or shut up. All right. Thanks for tuning in. Peace. Bye.
Dangerous!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Level up, level up,